Welcome to Cranberry Garage. Well, we're back in the garage. We did some more investigation on the block. It is most definitely a 350 out of a vet. And then we're going to flip you around. We're going to show you the front passenger side code here. It is CNR. Okay? And that is there's a K here, so it's in Ontario, Michigan of 09. 19 CNR. This is a 300 horse 350 out of a Corvette. So that's where at the moment we've been working on the block, you know, checking things here and there. This side the lifters all move. That moves under here. That moves. It gets stuck coming up that part, so there's some goo down there, but other than that, this side's moving freely all the way down. Like that. That's good. That's good. That's good. Now this side's different. Like that's stuck. That's stuck. That's stuck. This is stuck. There we go. That one moves. This one moves. That one moves. And this moves. But these other ones are stuck. Like these four are stuck on me. So I'm going to keep wrenching on this. I'm going to keep juicing it down. And I'm pulling nuts and bolts off it. Right now I'm pulling the bolts out of the freaking the back plate there. Ugh. And then these oil gallery plugs, I'll end up taking these out. I think they're a star. Are they a star or are they hex? I don't know. I gotta do some more brushing and cleaning and all that stuff. And then I gotta pull this pulley off of here and then see if I can get the dampener off. I've been juicing this up with WD-40, copious amounts of WD-40, which all on the floor. It's gross. I had to pick up some more kitty litter, get that cleaned back up. I have a pan coming for this because I'm going to need it because I got way more drenching to do. There's definitely pitting in the cylinders. I don't know if it'd be sleeved or I have to bore it 30 or 60 thousandths. If I have to bore it over 30 thousandths, it's fine. It's no big deal. Or now I just need to find out if I should just use this as an investment and just rebuild it as close to stock as you can and freaking sell it to a guy that needs a period correct motor for their vet, or I should just build it and make a 380. Well, it's going to be more than 383 because I have to bore it and sleeve it or whatever it is, but. Yeah, because those two are bad. This one's not so bad. This one, might be savable. This might not be that bad. The other two, I'm not sure what's behind it. I gotta flip it over. I gotta take the oil pump off. I got some more investigation to do. Like I said, this thing was just left for dead. It was chunky. It was greasy before it got left for dead. So that's the one good thing about it. The grease helped preserve it and save it. That's how it usually works. But yeah. There we are. So I'll bring you back in after I get some more stuff off of it and do an update and see if I got anything moving around.
That's right next to Landmark.
All right, come back. We're hanging out the garage. My neighbor here is talking with my brother. So we've gotten a little bit further into it. We got the pulley off, the dampener off, the freaking timing chain cover off, and we took the timing gear set. It's roached. The thing is just, it's bad. I'm about to pull this off. I have a puller for that. I got the broken part of the flywheel. We'll just call it a flywheel. It's not a flywheel. They call it something else when it's part of an automatic transmission. It's something else. But yeah, that's where we're at right now. I went and scooped all the juice out with freaking towels, and once I get this off, and then I'm gonna turn this thing upside down, look at it from underneath, and see what the fuck's going on there.
A lot.
Yeah, a lot. All right, here we go. Just an update. So, cam's out, lifters are out. Like, so almost I think almost every single lobe and cam was wiped out in this. So that's why it ended up stuck. So it's either overheated or they ran it dry and they just wiped it out, used the wrong oil. Whatever it was is bad. The timing chain was stretched, and the timing gear on the cam here, you can see all the lobes are rusty, every single one of them, just about. Now the bearings look good. The bearing surfaces look decent, which that's good. That gives me hope for the block. It's still not rotating, so I drenched it back down with some WD-40 on the bottom and the top end. I made a mess. I got a pan coming in for this, so once that comes in, I'll clean up the floor real nice and scrape all the crap up, and I'll have a couple things of tidy cat.
You should have made the back seat up.
So, yeah. But that's about it. The oil pump's off of it. That's in there. So, I think what I'm going to get out of this is heads, a block, maybe a crank, the intake manifold, the valve covers. I might be able to save, I'm probably going to save the pulley, and the dampener might be okay. The timing chain cover, I think might be able to save that. There wasn't any holes in it. Not sure about that power steering pump. I'll clean it up and see if it's worth rebuilding. The water pump might work still. I think it might be savable, so I might clean that up. But yeah, that's roached. The old, you know, we'll call it a flywheel, but it's not a flywheel. It's a flex plate. The flex plate that was on that thing, yeah. So someone broke it off for whatever reason. But now we're just, you know, we're cracking it. So here and there, we're hitting it. Hit it with WD-40. I got a little bit more of the grease out of it. I hit it with a can and a half of a parts cleaner. This stuff I buy this off Amazon. This breaking parts cleaner. I can get like, I don't know, 40 of them for like $100. So yeah, that's where I'm at. We're gonna call it a night. I'm gonna go home. It's 11 o'clock. Rate, comment, subscribe. We'll see you guys later.